to my channel. If this is exactly what you want, that you don't want background from your picture, just stay tuned and watch this video to the end, and you're going to learn how to remove background from your pictures to use for your thumbnails, for your Facebook posts, wherever posts that you actually want to use. And sometimes it may be a seller, maybe you want to upload your product, but because you don't like the background and it doesn't look professional, so you just want to change the background. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we're going to do that right now. So let's hit the start button. So go to your browser and type in remove.bg. While we wait for that to load, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do that now. Thank you. What are you waiting for? This channel is just to make your life easy and to provide solutions to certain things that you will need. So please subscribe to my channel and you'll be glad you did. Let me know if you have subscribed in the comment section so that I'll be able to shout you out in my next video, and I also appreciate you. Thank you. So now we are here. Tap the upload image to get started with the pictures that you want to use for your okay, let me use this. Okay, tap done. So once you choose the picture you want to use, you tap done and you wait for it to upload. Once again, thank you for subscribing, and if you have not yet done that till now, please tap the subscribe button below. It is absolutely free, and tap the notification bell, the dancing bell, so when I post the video, you'll be the first person to be notified. YouTube will send a message to you letting you know that I just uploaded a picture. So this is the picture. You can see the background is no longer there, but don't be scared. This is not how the background is going to look like, because when I first tried this too, I thought, I don't want this background. Why this background there? But to be sincere, you just wait for the results. Wait for us to download and you see what you're going to get. Then we tap on open. You can see the black and white check behind is no longer there. So this is exactly how your picture is going to look like. So wherever things that you want to actually remove the background, so just upload the image, come here, and you're actually going to get similar stuff. So don't be surprised that you can actually make money. Yes, you can actually make money from removing background for people, especially people that deal with business and that has to do with images, because sometimes when they snap their shirts, the shoes, the bags, they really do not like the outcome of what they get because it doesn't look professional. So it may prove me wrong, but I'm going to show you so many other people that are actually using this that I just showed you to make money on Fiverr. You can see remove background, $5. Do 100 photos, remove background, starting at $5. You can imagine per image. You can see this one, do 15 photos, background remover at $15. It is exactly what I just showed you. You can see remove background from photo starting at $10. Remove background from image starting at $10. So this is a whole lot how people make money using moving background. So I hope you love this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.